In this guide, we will learn about the 2023 Audi Q4 e-tron fuse box diagram and its location. Are you curious about where the fuse boxes are located and how to identify the right fuse for your vehicle's systems? Front compartment fuse box. The front compartment fuse box. In the 2023 Audi Q4 e-tron houses various fuses for essential vehicle systems. It includes fuses for the headlights, cooling system, and other key components. The fuse box is designed for easy access and quick fuse replacement. Passenger compartment fuse box, left-hand drive vehicles. Passenger compartment fuse box, right-hand drive vehicles. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2023 Audi Q4 e-tron is located inside the cabin, either on the driver's side or passenger's side, depending on the vehicle's configuration. It manages fuses for interior components like lights, air conditioning, and infotainment. The box is designed for easy access, ensuring quick fuse replacement.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.